that's just me. That's just me. That's just me. Ay, that's just me. 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 Yo, what's up guys, it's your boy ATG Reprich, and today I'm back yet with another video, and this time it's a vlog. It's not a freestyle video, it's not a song, but I'll be bringing some of that some more soon. Today we'll be talking about waves, how to do waves. So I've got my equipment right here. People have been asking me different questions like what do I use for my waves. Firstly, I'm going to talk about what do you need. Firstly, obviously, you need a do-rag. You can't do this without a do-rag. Unless you know something else, please let me know in the comment section. And then I also have my different brushes for different times. I've got my medium hard and my hard brush. So this one I usually use it after like a fresh cut because my hair is still small, and I just use it to like keep it at a maintained state. And then as it keeps on growing, I use a hard brush because obviously the bigger the hair, the harder the brush that you need for this thing. And last but not least, what you need is some pomade. This one is Beauty Tips. I've tried different types of ones. You can also check one from Legends Barbershop. They also have some good stuff. But yeah, so I just brushed my waves right now. Let me show you what I have underneath right here. Let me show you what I have under the hood. These are my waves. I locked them actually about like 2 hours ago. So the procedure is very simple. I'm going to show you right now. You're going to take your pomade. Right. Yes, pomade. So it just depends on you based on how much you want to use. If you got a big hair like mine, then you got to use a lot. Yeah, so and then you just apply the pomade. As you apply the pomade, you take your brush. So I'm going to take my medium hard right now. And you brush. So usually what I like to do is I like to count sections. So for this one, I'm gonna count like 40. Yes. And then you go to the other side and you also just keep on doing. So you repeat this movement until you actually have all the sides. And once you have all the sides, it becomes quite clear like which parts you need to fix and how you need to brush. So this time I'm showing you how to do 180 waves. Next time I'll be doing a video on 360 waves. So, okay, this is how they look right now after I just brushed them. So usually you can also use different techniques. Some people take like a plastic after brushing their waves and they just put it on their hand and they use that to press their waves. So that just helps you lock your waves before you can actually come out and float. So that's just it for now. Waves, you know what's up. We'll be talking about waves. Fuck, start. I don't know what to say now because man just be looking at me like that. Yes. Gosh, I'm feeling hot. I want to go home.